Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the extension folder is ready and contains a valid manifest. JSON, this is the core descriptor Chrome reads. Once done, make sure required files, icons, scripts, HTML, are present and paths inside manifest match file names exactly. You should also check manifest version and requested permissions so Chrome won't block loading. Finally, keep the folder on your local drive in an easier-to-find location. Moving it later can break the loaded Unpacked extension. Now open Chrome, //extensions and enable developer mode at the top right. This exposes the Load Unpacked control. Click Load Unpacked, then navigate to and select the extension folder root. Do not select individual files. Once selected, watch for immediate errors. Chrome displays about the manifest or missing files. They tell you what to fix. If the extension has a background script, make sure it appears as running in the Details pane, and check the console for runtime messages. Finish by pinning and testing the extension's UI and features. Click through actions and confirm expected behavior. When you change code, return to Chrome, //extensions and hit reload for that Unpacked extension. This applies updates immediately. If something fails, open Inspect Views for pop-up or Service Worker consoles to see stack traces. If Chrome refuses to load, double-check manifest version, permission keys, and exact file paths. Fixing those usual issues resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.